Wait.
Today, guys, we're going to be making blueberry muffins with sprinkles and Mommy, what's it called?
We're going to make blueberry bread. We're going to put it in our pan. And when we're done, we're going to put some Cool Whip on top, which is in the fridge. And then we're going to use some sprinkles. Okay, so Addison, first you pour in the muffin mix inside of the bowl. Yes, pour it all in. Okay, you're going to...
Now we're going to get 2 eggs.
You only need 1 egg.
Just say one.
Just 1 egg. We're going to crack the egg. Make sure there are no shells inside. Now I'll take that. I'll get you a paper towel. In your hands. Now you're going to stir the mixture.
Now we're going to stir the mixture.
Keep stirring. Stir it around and around. And now we're going to pour in the milk slowly. Don't. You shouldn't put your nose in there.
Is that good?
Yep. Now stir it up.
More milk.
Okay.
A little more. Now let's try it. Mix.
So we're back. We added another container of mixture with 1 more egg and a little bit more milk. So now we're stirring to get it all complete.
As you can see, it is yellow.
The oven is
Ready. The oven is
Our oven is on 400 degrees. Now we're ready to pour in
the mixture.
Into the
Pan.
Okay.
Now we're going to put it in the oven. It is really hot, guys.
Setting the timer. Here we have it.
The great and powerful bread. Can I get that? Okay. Help me with this. Help me with 3, 2.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Give it to me. Let go. Let go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Wait a minute. We have to push it back. So right now, we're going to flip the pan over onto the foil. Addison, it is hot. You need to wait for me.
So now we flipped it over. So here we have. Just spread it. It smells really good. Okay, so that. I'm gonna spread it on top of it.
Okay, not too hard. Can I show you?
Yeah. I got this now. Let me spread it.
Yeah, but this is the kind you don't need to spread because it's not frosting. So you just put it on top like so, and then you add your sprinkles. Okay, so you want it kind of fluffy. It's not going to spread like you want it to because this is not frosting. There you go. Here you go. See, look, because it's melting in there.
Now we're going to sprinkle.
Now we're putting it in the fridge to cool off. Thank you.